trying to get out of it. That's what. Nah, you need to.
There's somebody behind me, is it?
Look at them like, we trying to get out, we trying to get out. You're in the way, lady.
Yeah, that's bad. You took the pictures of this, right?
Yeah.
Then go
I'm
the other way,
recording.
see if we can get the other man.
Damn.
Yeah, we can't even go that way either. The water's coming down. I gotta find a way to get through.
Look at the trash can. Oh my gosh. Wow. Out here being crazy. Oh my. You have your lights on?
Yeah, that's dangerous.
Oh yeah, they're riding through there like it's
I'm not
nothing.
even gonna take a chance going down.
Look at the field.
Oh, hell no.
The field is flooded.
Oh, hell no!
That's what I was saying. I told you, because it's downhill. All the water from over there is going down that way.
The cross over there, you can see the cross over there.
Bro, the bus ain't running. The bus ain't running. Look at that. See? Oh my God. I told you. All of that water from Frederick is going down. Yo, it's not going to happen. Damn. School's closed tomorrow anyway. They lucky.
Somebody tried to get through it.
See what is coming down.
Hoagie Nation yesterday, Penn's Landing. They were there with Train and Fitz in the tantrums. That sounds like such an amazing lineup. They'll be swinging by Capital Arena in the.
That's what I was saying. We should help them, but
We cannot. Plays 101.9. Thanks for keeping us on this weekend. It is a Six Flags America holiday.
Stop!
the bus.
The bus! Look at the bus!
Play Scratch and Rich at MGM National Harbor and win great prizes like speakers, headphones, spot credits, replay, and more. With a grand prize drawing on May 27th,
Damn, the bus. The people on the bus.
$150,000 free play.
Damn, look at him trying his hardest.
With your M Life Rewards card to win. Scratch and Rich.
You think you can get through there?
I wouldn't even do it.
I think she can. I think you can make it. I think you can make it. It's just uphill from there. Once you pass that, you can make it.
I gotta see it. I can't take a chance.
Presents a bedtime story.
You know how 9 out of 10 couples prefer a different mattress firmness?
Yeah, what's with the 10th couple?
You can make that little corner.
Besides, to their ideal firmness, comfort, and
That
support,
is
they're
really
seat
deep.
number 7.
No, it's not.
Good thing we got great
No,
sleep.
it's not.
We got you.
See, you got
We're
it.
gonna do that right now during
That's
the
the
Speaker
fun.
annual sale. Find final clearance
That's the
savings on the
fun.
Queen Seat.
The ambulance. This is beautiful, to be honest. You are psychotic.
You guys are wild.
Yo,
I
that's
won't
not
go
nice.
through it.
Yeah.
Nah.
So it's coming up from here. Something over
Anything that's at the hill.
Going up there to there.
Look at, yeah, whatever's over there. That's where Rosie's at right now.
Everybody's just looking at us like they're gonna.
Damn, man. We out here.
This guy's gonna go.
I don't know.
He's waiting for her to turn.
No,
He's
he's
turning.
going all the way through.
He's turning after her.
He's stupid.
You gonna move?
Gosh, he's stupid. He is stupid.
Oh, we in the water. We in the
You guys are gonna be
water.
like, what the hell she was doing? Like, I'll see the pictures. I'm a reporter.
Oh, Rosie's over here. We have to say Rosie. It's a mission.
You need to tell Jesse to call Mo. You need to tell Jesse to call Maya and see how he's doing.
Yo. Lord have mercy. Daddy was like, are you making smart decisions? What does that say, brother? What does it say?
Can't turn it off. Okay, there we go. It says flash flood. Like, don't warn me after it starts. I'm already out.
I hope nobody's coming up here. And even when we come back up, how are we gonna even turn around? Mom,
Like,
right here is scared as mess in front of us.
He's like, oh my god. I'm like,
I'm gonna wait till he goes down.
oh boy.
He sees something that we don't. That's what's going on. He's like,
The water is flooding. See, but I want to go and see how bad is it.
pull up like on the side a little. Yeah. Okay. Road work ahead. I can see. Oh, look at the little waterfalls.
Now we gotta be careful. It comes down. There's a hole.
Uh-oh, I see that river. I see the river.
No. Maybe what do you think?
Yeah, we can make it through there. Yeah, definitely.
It's over there.
Nothing. Nobody's coming. Whoa. 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 This car is done. He's done. Whoa. 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 This car is done. He's done. Uh-oh.
I'm surprised this is not flooded.
This is raging.
Anybody want to park there and check it out?
Yeah, go under the bridge. Where we got some. The tree. The tree. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Mom.
Please can you hurry up?
She's
while
so
I'm
cute.
leaving?
Okay. Okay. Whoa.
The thing's like, my bag.
Wow.
See that?
Wow.
We gotta go before it starts to go. And we'd be in big trouble if that happens. We'd be electrocuted alive.
Ooh. Man.
Let's go back up the way we came. Because I know River Road we can't do it. River Road's
We went out there. We're
Man.
soaking wet.
Not one. It's gotta be crazy. Really crazy. Look at that water.
It just got higher. Like, we gotta go.
Yeah, because it's coming out from there.
Yo.
See, that's all flooded over there.
This guy's car is in the midst of trouble. It's like rock. The thing is falling. His car's gonna get messed up.
We can go down that way towards Ellicott City.
I'm trying to see.
Let's see, crack the window.
No, I'm not cracking this window. All that water just came in
We're gonna
here.
have to crack it.
You're insane.
I don't know why they
I don't know why they going that way neither. Everybody's trying to figure out ways to go. So they have to test it first. Yo, going back to that way. Does it matter if we don't obey the damn light at this point?
Yes, we have to obey it. That's if there's a cop's giving us directions, we have to obey it.
Oh, you're gonna have to turn around with your shirt. That's gonna suck.
Look at these cops like getting donuts. What are y'all doing? Ooh. We just cruising. They got the big truck.
Baltimore area. A lot of road closures too. So I'm going to get some details and some updates on what's happening after Taylor Swift. On today's 101.9.
After Taylor Swift. Sick of her.
He said the devastation in Ellicott City again.
That's sad.
They just finished rebuilding that place.
Nothing lasts forever.
That's ridiculous.
And I'm walking the dog.